Ever wondered how to start your own herb garden right from your kitchen? Herb gardening offers fresh ingredients at your fingertips, the joy of nurturing green life, and a great way to save money. Stay tuned as we delve into the simple steps to start your own herb garden. First things first, choose your herbs. Think about what you frequently incorporate in your recipes. Basil, parsley, mint, rosemary. These are all fantastic choices that are often found in a home cook's arsenal. Starting your herb garden can be as simple as sowing seeds or nurturing small plants, whichever suits your green thumb. And remember, herbs love the sun, so a sunny windowsill makes an ideal spot for your little green buddies. Now that we've got our herbs and the perfect spot, it's time to get planting. Planting herbs is as easy as 1, 2, 3. Start by selecting a well-draining pot and the right soil. A nutrient-rich potting mix works wonders. Plant your seeds or seedlings, ensuring they're nestled comfortably in their new home. Now let's talk water and sunlight. Herbs love a good sunbath and a refreshing drink. But remember, too much water is a no-no. Moderation is key. With your herbs happily growing on your windowsill, it's time to move to the garden. Ready to take your herbs outdoors? It's time to talk transfer. The best time to move your herbs outside is when the threat of frost has passed. Choosing a spot with plenty of sunlight is crucial. Now let's prepare the soil. Ensure it's well drained and rich in organic matter. Remember, regular watering is key to your herbs' growth, and don't forget about pest control either. Congratulations! You now have your very own herb garden. So, there you have it, a simple guide to starting your own herb garden. From kitchen scraps to flourishing garden, the joy of growing your own herbs is unparalleled. It's a rewarding journey full of flavor and freshness. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more gardening tips and tricks.